Hey guys, it is Dani and welcome to this another hurricane season countdown video. We are just 57 days away from the official start of the 2021 Atlantic hurricane season, and I don't know if it's just me, but do you guys think that the time is moving by so quickly? I mean, this morning I woke up and I wasn't really paying attention to what date was, and then I realized it was Monday and I'm like, wait, didn't I do a hurricane season countdown video just about a couple of days ago and it's Monday already again? So guys, I think the time is going by so quickly. Do you have the same feeling? Let me know in the comments. And so guys, we have quite a bit to talk about in this video. Nothing very significant, but if you haven't watched my previous video, we will be talking about the new predictions that are out in terms of what is expected of this hurricane season. And so before I go into details, please subscribe and tap the bell so you know every time when I post a new update. Okay guys, and so first let's take a look at the general view of the North Atlantic basin at this time. And so we're seeing here that nothing much going on. We have some dissipating frontal systems, but nothing in terms of tropical activities taking place at this time in the North Atlantic basin. It's quite windy here in Jamaica as well. It's been very windy, and I think it was about on Saturday when it was very cold with intermittent rainfall, but yesterday, Sunday, was very windy. So guys, in terms of ocean temperatures, we are definitely having the basin being warmed up, and this is going to be the trend. As I always say, it's going to be the trend as we're going to be heading into the hurricane season. And in terms of the La Nina that's there, it's still there, and to be kickstarting the season with La Nina means trouble, because favorable conditions are most likely to be there that are going to be inducing tropical systems, and not just inducing them to develop, but to be significant in terms of impact if they're going to be impacting land. And so guys, with that being said, let us talk about this new prediction that is out for this hurricane season. And so guys, AccuWeather has stated what they are expecting in terms of this hurricane season. They are expecting 16 to 20 named storms, of which 7 to 10 could acquire hurricane status, and 3 to 5 major hurricanes. And just a reminder, a major hurricane has maximum sustained winds above 110 miles per hour, so 111 miles per hour plus. That is considered a major hurricane, or simply put, Cat 3 or higher on the Saffir-Simpson scale. And so guys, that is just crazy. The best case scenario in terms of their prediction would be the first numbers that they're expecting, which would be 60 named storms, 7 hurricanes, and 3 major hurricanes. But the worst case scenario would be 20 named storms, 10 hurricanes, and 5 major hurricanes, especially if they're going to be impacting land. We saw the devastation that took place in 2020. So many lives were lost, and we just have to take necessary precautions and stay safe, because of course this season is going to be another active one. It's really not expected to be as active as 2020, but first off, in 2020 we weren't really expecting the hyperactivity that took place, and so things were just crazy. So we can't rule out the possibilities of some disastrous storms being there this hurricane season. So this is why, if you live in any of the regions that are usually affected by tropical cyclones, going from the east coast of the US and the Gulf Coast to even Central America and the Caribbean and even the northern parts of South America, you have to be cautious, because things could get quite heated quite quickly. And so guys, in terms of the wind shear across the northwestern Atlantic basin, very strong at this time. So I guess that this is really one of the main reasons why we don't have a lot of tropical development, along with, of course, the Saharan dust and all of that as well, guys. But there is no large plume of dust at this time in the atmosphere, and here in the Caribbean it's been quite dust-free, you would say, at least for Jamaica. And so guys, just a reminder of the names for this hurricane season. The first name on the list is Anna, and remember that we don't have to be in the season for us to have a storm. It can develop off-season, as what's been the trend for the past 6 consecutive years. And so guys, that is really it for this update. And so if you found it to be quite informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts in the comments or ask questions. I'll try to respond as best innocent as I can. And just remember to always be weather-wise, and of course I will keep giving all your necessary updates as time goes by.